Merlin here. Well, it took most of the morning, but we finally got the skirt removed. Thankfully, everything's looking good underneath the hull. So the next one thing is going to be drilling out all these rivets that hold the hull together. Of course, I think I'm going to have to take the rust duct off first. But anyway, that's what the point we're at so far is. We've got the skirt all removed except for the drag flap. The drag flap seems to be in fairly decent shape, so I don't know if I'll need to replace it or not. One of these little drain thingies, sculper valves, I think they call them, is wide open, and this one's ripped completely off, so I'm probably going to just take those off and put regular drain plugs up in them like I had on my old one. But anyway, the hull looks pretty good so far. I'm not seeing any damage. So as long as I can split the hull to get the old foam out without damaging it anymore, I think we're going to be pretty good. So that's what we got. Stay tuned.